Good morning, everybody. We're actually looking at the Micro Russell RTY. It's July 6th. Happy 4th of July to everybody. And it's about 10:20 a.m. Hope everybody
MNQ trade alert.
Hope everybody had a nice 4th of July weekend. And just go ahead and mark this real quick. Just checking my stop. So you can see that we've been pretty much stuck in consolidation here, okay? And how do you know,
trade alert.
How do you know that we're in consolidation?
By signal 2.
Okay. Look at the arrows. Okay, if you can't tell that this is sideways motion, okay, you can simply draw a box around this, can't you? Okay, if it fits into a box nice and easy here, okay, the market really didn't go anywhere, it's just moving sideways. All right, and look at the arrows.
trade alert.
Okay, you have these longs here, but it didn't really go anywhere. Then it broke lower. You have these longs filled here. Nice. Nice. Let me mark this. So you have then longs, then you have these shorts. It really didn't go anywhere.
trade alert.
Then you have long again. It didn't really go anywhere. Okay, so that tells you that you're in consolidation. Then we broke out of that. Okay, we broke out of that right here. Okay, so I did not have my breakout set up for this. If I did, I would have taken this entry right here. All of these signals would have been shut off. I would have taken this entry right here. I missed that, and I have not been trading the Russell that much. I like the Russell. I watch it every day. So I saw this setup and took it. Okay. This is trailing a little bit early for me. Just missed that second target by a couple ticks, 3-4 ticks. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to trail this.
MNQ trade alert.
Here. So now all risk is off the table. Okay, we got our first target and our second and third target.
MNQ trade alert.
We've got 4 ticks locked in, okay? So I went ahead and expanded my second target out a little bit to 65 ticks, only because I know that I have this pivot point
MNQ trade alert.
And I'm expecting it to touch the pivot point. So let's see if we can get that second target. Well, looks like I should have taken my 52 ticks and been happy with it, right? All right, let's try this again.
MNQ trade alert.
Stop filled.
Okay. Well, I'm going to take what I can on that one. 62 ticks. Not a home run, huh? but that's all right. They can't all be home runs. Okay, so let's go back to this setup, because the setup is what's most important, okay? Because I get this question a lot, all right? And if you're sending me a chart that looks like this, you can't see consolidation if your chart looks like this, all right? You need to scrunch your chart up so you can see that this is consolidation. Okay, how long does it take me to draw a box around this?
MYM trade alert.
Okay, 3 seconds. So if you have to draw multiple boxes on your chart showing, okay,
MYM trade alert,
then we break out. Okay, you know, I guess technically you could, you know, you can draw a box around this and say, okay, we broke out, but it didn't go anywhere.
MYM trade
okay?
alert.
Didn't go anywhere, and it didn't give you a chance to get in. It came right back into all of this. Okay, so that's when you extended your box down here. Okay, and you kept drawing it and drawing it and drawing it, and then it gave you a signal. All right, so if I had caught this signal up here, this would have been a much more
MYM trade alert.
Much more profitable trade for me, but I didn't. I got in here. Okay, but I'm still happy with this. They can't all be home runs. All right, they're not all going to be monster trades, and they don't have to be. What's important is that you identify
MNQ trade alert
in the chart. If you can identify and understand what's going on in the chart,
trade alert,
then you know which signals to take
MNQ trade alert
and which signals to avoid. Okay, give me a second here, and just shut this off because it's talking over me. And I want to make this clear, okay? Because I say this in many of my videos, and maybe I need to start saying it in every video. But nowhere on my website, nowhere in any of my instructional videos, nowhere in any of my YouTube videos does Dave say an entry arrow appears and you take the entry. That's not how my system works. If that's the idea that you have, or somewhere along the line you got mixed up, it's your idea, that's how you think my system works, it's not. I'm clearly stating that to you. You can only filter out so many signals, okay? If I let the software start filtering, then you're also going to filter out good signals. So what do? I give you 3 setups, okay? You only have to learn 3 setups, okay? And you have to do the filtering, okay? The breakout is one of them. The second one is a Renko Kings double top, all right? And the third one is stair stepping. That's all you have to learn. But nowhere on my website or in any of my videos or in any of my explanations do I say, oh, I got a red signal, I'm going to take this trade. Or, oh, here's a blue signal, I'm going to take this trade. Or, oh, here's a yellow signal, I'm going to take that. No. There is thought and logic and building a case to every one of my trades, for every one of my videos. That's the whole purpose of me placing these videos, for you guys to learn from. Nowhere do I say, oh, here's a signal, just go ahead and jump in and it's going to be a winner and you're going to make $1 million and you can go buy a Lambo. That's not real life. That's not real trading. Nobody has a system like that. Not me, not anybody else. So if that's what you're looking for, please don't buy my software, because I can't help you and nobody else can help you. I don't know how to make it any clearer to you. But if you're going to buy my software and you want my help, I'm happy to help you. If you're the type of person that's willing to learn and willing to put in the effort and the time and the practice, I'm willing to help you. But if you're going to buy my system and then you're going to tell me what's wrong and what I need to change, and you're going to tell me how to use it, things aren't going to go well. That's what I can tell you. So I hope this explanation helps. If you guys have any questions, as always, I'm always happy to help. Send in your emails, mark up your charts for me, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.